In this video, I will show you step by step how to start a blog. So if you're interested in starting your own blog, then watch this blog tutorial. If you like this video and find it helpful, then please hit the like button below, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials. Make sure to click the first link in the description below this video to get web hosting for your blog. If you click the first link in the description, you'll get web hosting for $3.95 a month, plus you'll get a free domain name as well. Also click the second link in the description below this video for a step-by-step guide. Now let's get started with a step-by-step blog tutorial. There are a couple of things we need to start a blog in 2020. First thing we need is a quality web hosting provider that can safely and efficiently host our website online. In this video tutorial, I will use Bluehost as the web hosting provider. We will also need a domain name. You will get a free domain name if you click the link in the description below and use Bluehost, because they offer a free domain name with their hosting packages. Then the third thing we need to do is to install WordPress, which is the most popular content management system. Bluehost makes it really easy to install WordPress. When you have finished these three things, you have a blog up and running. Then you will need to install important WordPress plugins that will help make your blog safe and secure and search engine friendly, among other things. Then the next step is to create the first blog post. So let's get started with a step-by-step tutorial from buying web hosting to installing and setting up WordPress on your blog. The first thing we need to do is to pick a web hosting provider. Like I said earlier, I'm going to use Bluehost in this blog tutorial, and if you click the first link in the description below this video, you can get web hosting from $3.95 a month. Included in that, you will get a free domain name, you'll get free SSL certificate, and you'll get one-click WordPress install and 24/7 support. Like I said earlier, Bluehost is the web hosting provider we will be using for this tutorial. If you're thinking why you should choose Bluehost as your web hosting provider, here are a couple of reasons why I use Bluehost for most of my website. Reason number one. If you go to the WordPress website, they have their own web hosting recommendations list. And at the very top of that list of hosting providers WordPress recommends is Bluehost. Reason number two is that Bluehost is a very WordPress friendly hosting provider that makes it really easy to install and use WordPress on their hosting platform, thanks to their one-click WordPress installs. So the first step is to press the green button, get started. And then pick what package or hosting plan you would like to purchase. You can see here the differences between the packages. And when you have finished picking, you just pick or press select when you have decided on which hosting package you want to purchase. Like I said earlier, if you click the link in the description below and purchase hosting from Bluehost, you will get a free domain name. So here you can pick your new domain name. I would recommend using the .com extension, since that is the most popular extension. If you already own a domain name, you would simply enter that here in this box and press the next button. Next step is to fill out all of your account information and pick the account plan. The longer the plan you pick, the cheaper the price is. Next, decide if you want any of the extras that Bluehost offers, like domain privacy protection. It is up to you. What it does is it hides your details and no one can look up the owner of the domain. Next step is to fill out your payment details and submit your order. What happens next is that all of your account details and important login information is sent to your email. Next step is to go to your email and open the welcome email from Bluehost, and then log into your cPanel. So when you have logged into your cPanel, this is how your account and cPanel looks like. Then the next step is to install WordPress. WordPress is what is called a content management system. It means that it helps you manage all of your content. It's very simple to install WordPress on your blog. It's a one-click installation. Just scroll down and press one-click install. And select WordPress and press install. Press get started. So next step is to simply select your domain name from the drop-down menu and leave the directory blank. And press the next button. Next step is to decide and enter your admin username and create an admin password. Write this information down. It's very important since you will use the username and password to log into your new website. But it will also be sent to your email as well. Then click install. Voila, now WordPress has been installed on your blog. Next step is to log into your blog. You do that by simply entering your domain name .com/wp-admin into your browser, and that will take you to the WordPress login area. Enter the admin and password you picked and log into your new blog. Now you're in the back end of your WordPress blog and you'll have the standard WordPress theme installed, which looks like this. This is the standard WordPress theme, but you can choose and install another theme. You do that by going to Appearance and Themes. Press here WordPress.org themes. So you can either purchase a premium WordPress theme or use a free WordPress theme. We're going to install a free theme. Here you can see the featured WordPress themes. You can scroll down, take a look. You can also go and check out the popular WordPress themes. You can see here. So we're going to look for a good theme for a blog. So just simply enter blog. Scroll down. You should just pick a random theme. Just this one. And press install. And activate. Now a new WordPress theme has been installed on your blog. Let's check it out. So as you can see, a new WordPress theme has been installed, so the look and feel of your website is different than before. But of course we can change and customize the theme. Do that by going to go to the main dashboard, go to Appearance and Customize. Here you can see all the options we have to change and customize the website. We can go to Site Identity, change the title. We can go to Theme Options and go to Banner, so we can edit what the banner says, also what the button name is, and the button URL. You can change and customize the social media links, also all the footer information. We can create menus and decide where the menus are placed on our website. We can use widgets and we can decide our home page settings. So as you can see, you can customize the design and look of your website. Next step is to write the first blog post. You do that by going to Post, Add New. Then you just write your headline. And add some text. You can upload photos, you can embed videos, you can do a lot of different things. Then, when the blog post is ready to be published, you just press the publish button. And now the first blog post has been posted to your blog. You can see here, first blog post. It's simple as that. It's so simple, anybody can do this. Next step is to install important WordPress plugins. I've already installed a couple of plugins. I already installed a couple of important plugins, but if you want to add a new plugin, simply go to plugins and add new. Here you can see all the featured WordPress plugins, but it's best to go to popular. Here you can see all the most important and popular WordPress plugins. I would recommend either installing Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO, which is a search engine optimization plugin. I've already installed All-in-One SEO plugin, but also use Yoast on other websites, and Yoast is also a fantastic WordPress SEO plugin. Then you will need to install a security plugin. I've already installed WordFence, which is a great security plugin and helps protect your website from hackers. There are so many WordPress plugins here you can install. You can install Google Analytics, backup plugin here, a contact form plugin. You can install Google Analytics dashboard, contact form. There's so many different plugins, but I recommend you need to install SEO plugin. So either install All-in-One SEO or Yoast SEO. Then install a security plugin. I'm using WordFence for this website. That's a great plugin, but there are other great security plugins also, so just do your research. And you will probably need a contact form. And contact form 7 is the most popular one. You just embed the code on your page, contact form page, so people can contact you. So it's really simple to install WordPress plugins. Just go to plugins, add new, look at the featured and the popular list and install plugins. So that's it. This is how you create and set up your WordPress blog in minutes using Bluehost as your web hosting provider. As you can see, it's really easy to do and anybody can set up a blog in 2019. And it's not as expensive as many people think. If you enjoyed and found this video tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and videos.